Let's change battery in our TVS Apache. First, we need to turn off ignition and remove both pillion and rider seat. It's very easy. Remove the tray and pull the seat lever to open rider seat. Now unscrew the right side panels using the screwdriver in the TVS kit. There are 2 screws on the panel and 1 behind the panel below the pillion seat. Now that the panel is open, we can see the battery, and by looks of it we can tell it's very old. For a fact, this is our default battery, and first replaced since I bought the bike. The battery lasted well. Now be careful while removing the battery. Always remove negative terminal first, black, and then the positive, red. I have decided to continue with X side for the new battery, since the old one was reliable. Now we will first attach the positive terminal and then the negative terminal, and then close the casing. Now close the panels and make sure the screws are tied neatly, otherwise, due to vibration, the screw will come off. Now the Apache is ready to roar. Turn on the ignition and check everything works neatly.